In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to connect Nintendo Switch 2 to a hotspot. So the first thing we need to do is to grab our mobile and click on settings, and then you're going to scroll down and click on personal hotspot right here, as you can see. And the first setting you need to actually turn on is allow others to join right here. And also maximize compatibility, very important that you turn this one on as well. You will be able to see the password to be able to join your personal hotspot. So now what I'm going to do now on my Nintendo Switch 2 is that I'm going to go into settings right here, as you can see, and then I'm just going to go into internet. So click right here and click on internet settings. So let's click right here. It's going to search for network. Let's see. And then I'm going to scroll down, network found. So here is the one, iPhone, because I have an iPhone. For you, it might say, by the way, Android. So I'm just going to now enter that password that that you saw before as well, obviously. I think this is correct. 1, 2, 3. Then click on OK. So now, as you can see, it's going to connect. Let's see, it's just jumping around here. And yeah, as you can see, connection successful. And that is basically exactly how to do this.